Let's go and take a look at assignment number 1, which is worth a total of 50 points and due on Sunday, January the 14th by 11:59 p.m. Central Time. There are 2 parts to this assignment, and there's also this assignment video aid, which will hopefully address any questions you may have. For part 1, this is me, and I've included a link here, and what I want you to do is to create a 2-minute video about yourself. Everybody says there's nothing easier to talk about than yourself, so that's what you are going to do. 2-minute video about yourself, whatever you want to share with the class. I think this is a great way to get to know each other and provide a little insight into our backgrounds and what we bring to the table. I've included here that I often use Screencast-O-Matic. In fact, I'm using it right now. It's a free software. It's easy to use. You just download it, click record, and it does exactly what this is doing right here. It just records the screen for you. Once you have completed your video, you can upload it to YouTube. After you've created your Gmail account, that'll be really easy to do. You just go to YouTube, upload video, it'll create a link, and you just post that link into this document, which I will show you quickly. So here's a Google Docs. I'll use this a lot in the class. It's a good way to share information. So you will just add your photo and add your video. Put your name here, your video, and then your photo. Again, you don't have to use Screencast-O-Matic, whatever you want to do, as long as you can get it posted so your classmates can see it. For part 2, we have 2 different articles on mindful leadership that I've included. One is about the author of the book we're going to be reading and her insight on mindful leadership. Another is, I think, a really good article about mindful leadership. And what I want to get out of this first week is just an understanding of what mindful leadership and how it might apply to us. So for part 2, there are a total of 3 questions. It's worth a total of 40 points. I realize this is a little vague for part 2. What I'm looking for here is just for you to get acclimated with the course. So I have a total of 3 questions. Number 1, what is mindful leadership? Again, that should be based off those 2 documents. You can use any other resources you want. We'll get into citations and references as we go forward. But for this week, I just want you to kind of get comfortable. Number 2, what does mindful leadership mean to you? Then question number 3 is, what do you hope to get out of this course? And your response to each question should be at least 1 academic paragraph in length, 150 to 200 words, and provide an in-depth response. If you guys have any questions about this week's assignment, please let me know.